We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
On April 21, 2017, Sledgehammer Games and Activision announced their next Call of Duty game, titled Call of Duty: World War II. It was released on November 3, 2017. In February 2018, Glenn Schofield and Michael Condrey left Sledgehammer Games but still working with Activision.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.